I will not stop until I've made 1,000,000 sandwiches. Hello, Sandwich Dad here, and today we're going to make the Vern Troyer sandwich. Remember Vern Troyer? Mini-Me from Austin Powers 2. Now, Mr. Troyer sadly passed away in 2016, but his memory lives on through his sandwich, which is peanut butter and jelly with a fried egg. So, naturally, for the first step, let's fry up an egg. Salt, and pepper, some white bread for toast. Let's see if I can do this here. Flip, then peanut butter, using crunchy jelly, grape jelly, and the egg. The video, Mr. Troyer kind of mashed it up a little bit with a fork. All right, put it together. Have a little look. Cut diagonally and reveal. Hey now, doesn't look too bad. All right, time for the taste test. Yeah, I get it. Like a more substantial PB&J. I don't know if I'd ever make it my go-to, but I'm going to give it a solid 3.75 out of 5 easy chairs. This is Sandwich Dad, Sandwich Dog, saying good day.